What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be changing out a belt tensioner on a 2008 Jeep Liberty. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. My name is Rick Burrows. You're watching Fix It Rick, so let's fix it. Now, as we get started with this, make sure that your engine is nice and cool to the touch. Because if your coolant line is really hot, it's going to come spraying out. It's going to be very, very dangerous. First thing we need to do is remove this reservoir. To do that, pull this. Next, we'll remove these 3 screws. So there's 2 screws right underneath here that are holding the rest of this up. We're going to be using an extension to get back in there. Next, when we pull this little pump off, we have to put our finger right on the reservoir hole. What you want to do is set this on an angle so that the water doesn't leak out right there. Next, we have to remove this fan, and here's the plug that disconnects power from the fan. Simply push in the clip and then pull it out. Using an 8mm, there's one on this side and one on the opposite side. Now you can take the whole fan out. Using a 15mm ratchet, let's go ahead and loosen up the belt tensioner and remove the belt. Using that same 15mm, let's remove the center bolt right here. Now let's go ahead and put our brand new belt tensioner in. I like the sound of that. The nice thing about this tensioner is that it's fitted and it only goes in one way. Put the belt back on. Let's go follow it around the pump over the alternator. Using that 15mm, let's go ahead and loosen the belt. You want to make sure that everything is on there nice and smooth. If your belt is off slightly and you go to start your car, it will destroy the belt. Put our fan back in. Out of the coolant reservoir, and then plug it in really quick. Next, we'll plug in the hose for the engine coolant. Make sure it's in there all the way. If you're looking to get yourself a belt tensioner, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to Fix It Rick. Always remember that Jesus Christ is the one who loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem.